Cup XL is made up of high-strength composite material and can support any 12 to 32 ounce drink or tumbler. You have two self-leveling pivot points here. On the sides you can swivel this way, and then also on the back where the ball is you can swivel side to side. Now on the back of this cup holder you have a knob that you can loosen so that you can adjust the height of the bottom half portion and then tighten the knob down to secure in place. So when this is dropped down all the way, you can insert any drink or tumbler up to 32 ounce, such as the Pelican here, where these cup holder fin portions will flex out a bit to accommodate this. And then on the bottom you have these rubber fins to help keep the drink nice and stable, suited for any rough environment such as a motorcycle handlebar, ATV, UTV, pretty much any environment. The Ram Level Cup XL does come with the optional foam insulator sleeve, and with this ball in the back you can connect this to the whole range of Ram B-size ball and socket mounting components to mount your drink virtually anywhere. And like all other mounting components, the Level Cup XL is backed by a lifetime warranty.